Stop it. Right. So you get a bit of string, you tie it round like that. And then it should close the gap up a bit. So just watch that gap while I do it. You hold that. Yeah. Oh. How much? If I closed it. Oh, it's not working. Look. Yes, it is. Shut up. Look. That'll do. That's enough. Look. Go like that. See, like that. I'm like, right. So, oh, what do we do now? Oh, hang on. I'm making this up as I go along. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm very professional at this. Can't hold it tight while I get, hang on. Right. Hold that there, and then get that over. Get that. Did I catch it? Yeah, look. Look at that, look. You can't see it, can you, YouTube? Look at that, look. Let's close that up, look. Nicely. You know, look. Right. Let's make it a bit more so that it's going to stick when I get the glue out. I'm going to glue it. I'm going to put glue in there. I'm going to put glue in there. Okay. Gluey glue glue. Right, get some glue then. Here we are. Get this. And then, oh hello. Oh yeah. Get the glue and we go. Stop it, Christopher. Right, bit there, bit there, bit there, and a bit there. And then just try and get it so that it's... oh God, honestly. Honestly. Someone's got the radio too loud. Right, so... like that. Try and get that to go to each other. Go to me, go to me. Stop it. I like to have a sing-song when I'm in the garage. I like to talk to myself a lot. It's the only sense I get. Right. What I might do... oh, the fumes. God, it's true. Right, what I might do... what I might do now is just get... I don't know. That'll do. And push it together a little bit. It's good glue, this. It's good stuff, actually. It might glue the bit of string to the tyre, which it is doing, unfortunately. The fumes are getting to me a bit. It's gluing the tyre to the stupid glue. Glues everything. Look, right, that's better. Right, bit in there, bit in there, a bit in there, a bit in there, a bit in there, a bit in there. Blob, blob. I know this looks a bit messy, but in fact, it's very messy. In fact, I've made a right mess. This is just my way of doing it. There's probably lots of other ways of doing it. Oh, glue my finger to the... oh, mummy! Right, glue my finger to the tyre. That's not good. Right, let that dry a little bit. Blob there. Blob there, blob there, blob there, blob there, blob there, blob there. Get rid of the blobs that I've made everywhere. Right, so I know that looks awful. I know you're thinking, oh my God, what is he doing? Look at it. But, oops. That will, oops, YouTube, stop it. That will, this bit, the bits of glue that are sitting here, they'll just go to nothing. That'll just, won't matter, won't make a much difference. And then that should, leave that overnight. God, the fumes are bad from that. leave that overnight, and then that should be all right. I've also got my other repair here. Look, this is really good. This is, look at that. Look. Ooh, look, glue. Yeah, I glued it. I did glue 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 it. I did. Yeah. But we'll see how we go, because I've already glued one of these tyres here. Look, that one. That's already been glued, and that's held up on us when it went upside down and I pulled the trigger on. 6S wheel spin upside down, and that's held up, that glue, that tear in the tyre. So yes, there we go. You see, string, glue, and a little bit of silliness. Well, not bad, is it? Right, there you go. Bye bye. See you later.